With the release of Mastercam 2023, the Unified Multiaxis toolpath is superseding the morph, parallel, along curve, and project curve toolpaths. This change simplifies the Mastercam multi-axis product, making it easier for new Mastercam users to choose the right multi-axis toolpath. This change may leave experienced Mastercam users wondering, how do I make a project curve toolpath now? Let's build a unified toolpath on the Witch Doctor weapon motor mount. Select the 6mm ball mill and go to the cut pattern page. We can first select our drive surfaces, shown in pink. To engrave these faces, enter -0.02mm in the machining geometry's offset field. Next, select the curve cut pattern type. In the Style dropdown, choose Project. Window select the wireframe logo. Once back inside Parameters, navigate to the Project Curve Options tab. This is where you can find the only options required to build a Project Curves toolpath. These options remain unchanged from prior versions of Mastercam. For this geometry, I'd prefer to keep the projection direction set to surface normal. Since the wireframe geometry is floating in space, set the max projection distance to 60mm. To finish this toolpath, deactivate collision control and tighten up the linking parameters. Click OK to generate the toolpath. To see the result, let's open Verify. Project Curves uses the same downstream parameters as Morph, Parallel, and Along Curve. Combining these 4 toolpath types into Unified Multiaxis does more than remove redundancy. It gives Mastercam multi-axis users everything they need, all within a familiar interface.